Welcome to CES. Do you like my jacket? It started in 1993.
Ready, go!
With NV1. Here it is, our brand new GeForce RTX 50 series, Blackwell architecture. The GPU is just a beast. G7 memory from Micron, 1.8 terabytes per second. Well, now with the Blackwell family, RTX 5070, 4090 performance at 549. And here's the whole family. Starting from 5070 all the way up to 5090. 5090, twice the performance of a 4090. Starting, of course, we're producing at very large scale availability starting January. Well, this is a 5070 laptop. For $1299, this 5070 laptop has a 4090 performance. I think there's one here somewhere. You get this incredible graphics card here, Blackwell. We're going to shrink it and put it in there. Does that make any sense? Well, you can't do that without artificial intelligence. And the reason for that is because we're generating most of the pixels using our tensor cores. So the 5090 will fit into a laptop, a thin laptop. That last laptop was 14.9 millimeters. You got a 5080, 5070 Ti, and 5070. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the RTX Blackwell family. Well, Blackwell is in full production. It is incredible what it looks like. So first of all, there's some, every single cloud service provider now have systems up and running. We have systems here from about 15 computer makers. It's being made about 200 different SKUs, 200 different configurations. They're liquid-cooled, air-cooled, x86, NVIDIA Grace CPU versions, NVLink 36 by 2, NVLink 72 by 1, whole bunch of different types of systems so that we can accommodate just about every single data center in the world. Wait for it. Wait for it. I thought I was worthy. Apparently, Yonir didn't think I was worthy. If we would have had to build a chip, here we go. Sorry, guys. You see that? That's cool. Look at that, disco lights in here. This one chip here is 1.4 exaflops. So these are the Blackwells. These are our ConnectX networking chips. These are the NVLink, and we're trying to pretend about the NVLink spine, but that's not possible. And these are all of the HBM memories, 14 terabytes of HBM memory. We're also working with the ecosystem. All of our NVIDIA AI technologies are integrated into the IT industry. We have great partners and really great work being done at ServiceNow, at SAP, at Siemens, for industrial AI.
By combining a UNet regression model with a diffusion model, CoreDiff can downscale global weather forecasts down from 25 kilometers to 2 kilometers.
Developers, like at NVidia, manage software security AI agents that continuously scan software. Generative AI synthesizes amazing images from simple text prompts. Yet image composition can be challenging to control using only words, or reimagine the whole scene with a new prompt.
Speaking of Linux, let's talk about physical AI.
Bringing the power of foresight and multiverse simulation to AI models, generating every possible future to help the model select the right path.
Developers and ecosystem partners, and we have just a growing number of ecosystem partners connecting to Omniverse, and the reason for that is very clear. Everybody wants to digitalize the future of industries. There's so much waste, so much opportunity for automation in that $50 trillion of the world's GDP. So let's take a look.
Influenced by constantly shifting variables. These include daily and seasonal demand changes, space constraints, workforce availability, and the integration of diverse robotic and automated systems.
The AV revolution has arrived. After Toyota and NVIDIA are going to partner together to create their next generation AVs. Well, today we're announcing that our next generation processor for the car, our next generation computer for the car, is called Thor. I have one right here. Hang on a second. This is Thor. This is a robotics computer. This is a robotics computer. It takes sensors and just a madness. Our drive system that I'm incredibly proud of is the dedication to safety. Drive OS, I'm pleased to announce, is now the first software-defined programmable AI computer that has been certified up to ASIL D, which is the highest standard of functional safety for automobiles. Humanoid robots, my friends, DGX-1 revolutionized artificial intelligence. The reason why we built it was because we wanted to make it possible for researchers and startups to have an out-of-the-box AI supercomputer. You know, imagine, ladies and gentlemen, this is NVIDIA's latest AI supercomputer. And it's finally called Project Digits right now. And if you have a good name for it, reach out to us. It runs the entire NVIDIA AI stack. DGX Cloud runs on this. Access it, you could reach it like a cloud supercomputer. It's just so cute. And this is the chip that's inside. And this little thing here is in full production. We're expecting this computer to be available around May timeframe. You could also use it as a Linux workstation if you like. If you would like to have double digits, this is what it looks like. You know? And you. Have a great CES, everybody. Happy New Year. Thank you.